When it comes to survey instruments and accessories, Udyog Vihar in Gurgaon is a hub for dealers who specialize in providing these products. One such dealer that stands out in the market is Scon Design. With their extensive range of survey instruments and accessories, they have become a trusted name among professionals in the industry. Scon Design offers a wide variety of survey instruments, including the latest models of theodolites, total stations, and andDGPSdevices. These instruments are designed to provide accurate measurements and reliable data for various surveying applications. Whether it is land surveying, construction surveying, or mapping, Scon Design has the right instrument to meet the specific requirements of their customers. In addition to survey instruments, Scon Design also offers a comprehensive range of accessories that complement these instruments. These accessories include tripods, prisms, poles, and surveying software, among others. These accessories are essential for enhancing the functionality of the survey instruments and ensuring accurate results. What sets Scon Design apart from other dealers in Udyog Vihar is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They source their products from reputed manufacturers and ensure that each instrument meets the highest standards of quality and performance. Their team of experts is always ready to assist customers in choosing the right instrument and accessory based on their specific needs. Furthermore, Scon Design also provides excellent after-sales support, including servicing and maintenance of the survey instruments. They understand the importance of keeping these instruments in optimal condition to ensure accurate measurements and reliable data. Visit their showroom today to explore their collection and experience their expertise firsthand. Udyog Vihar in Gurgaon is a location for vendors who specialize in delivering these products when it comes to survey instruments and accessories. Scon Design is one such retailer that stands out in the market. They have established a solid reputation among professionals in the field thanks to their wide selection of survey instruments and accessories. The newest theodolites, total stations, and andDGPSdevices are among the many surveying tools that Scon Design offers. These tools are made to deliver precise measurements and trustworthy data for a range of surveying applications. Whether it be for mapping, construction surveying, or land surveying, Scon Design offers the ideal tool to satisfy each client's particular needs. Scon Design provides a wide variety of survey instrument accessories in addition to the survey equipment themselves. These add-ons include, among other things, tripods, prisms, poles, and surveying software. These add-ons are necessary to improve the performance of the survey instruments and guarantee accurate findings. Scon Design's dedication to quality and client satisfaction sets them apart from other Udyog Vihar dealers. They ensure that each instrument meets the highest standards of quality and performance by sourcing their items from reputable manufacturers. Any repair or maintenance needs can be handled by their well-trained and well-equipped specialists. Scon Design is the go-to vendor in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, whether you're a professional surveyor or a business in need of survey equipment and accessories. They are an excellent choice as a partner for all of your surveying needs due to their wide selection of products, dedication to quality,